Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, this is your next video just after the exam, and this is the first video after your periodic assessments. So in half yearly this chapter is also coming, so I have to finish this chapter, and we were on exercise 6B question number 22. I have already written the question on the board, as you all can see that. In this question what we need to do, we have to verify the result by the values A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 3. So we have to verify that LHS is equals to RHS or not. So we have to check. So this is LHS. What is this? Is left hand side. What will be the right hand side? The right hand side will be the term which will come after the multiplication of all the algebraic expressions. So firstly I am going to solve LHS. Now in LHS you are going to directly place the values of A, B and C. So putting the values of A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. We have to place the values and then we have to solve. So this is LHS. Left hand side we are going to solve 2 upon 5, 1 square multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 15, 2 multiplied by 2. Since it is 2 square, so I am writing 2 to the power of 2. 1 multiplied by 3 because the value of C is 3. Coming to this one, minus 1 by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 since it is 3 square. Okay. C square. So I have placed the value of C. Now we have to check that anything can be reduced from here or not. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. 1 from numerator, 1 from denominator I have reduced. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now this minus and this minus will make it positive. The final result will be positive. Now I have to multiply all the things which are left in the numerators because we have already reduced the denominators. So this is 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2 3s are 6, and this is 2 square, that means 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 3s are. We have to further multiply 3 3s are 9. So 72 multiplied by 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 7s are 63. The final answer is 648. After placing the values of A, B and C, we have got 648 in LHS. Now we have to solve for RHS. I am going to rub this. In RHS, how you have to proceed? In RHS, firstly you will multiply all the algebraic expressions. In the final answer, you have to place the values. So how do we multiply the algebraic expressions? Multiplying all the coefficients together, multiplying all the literal factors together. Okay? Multiplying all the coefficients together, multiplying all the literal factors together. Now we have multiplied all the coefficients together. Now we have to check that anything can be reduced here or not. So 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is left? Only 3 is left, and this minus minus is going to become plus. So 3, A to the power of 3, B to the power of 3 and C to the power of 3. Why A to the power of 3? Because A square, A1, 2 plus 1 is 3, B 1 plus 2, 3, C 1 plus 2, 3. Anything which is not having any power in literal factors, we have to consider by default 1 as their power. Now what we have to do? Now we have to place the value because we have obtained the RHS. Now we have obtained right hand side. Now we have to place the value in right hand side. So what was the value of A, B and C? The value of A, B and C we have to place in the right hand side. So 3, 1 cube, the power value of B was 2 and the value of C was 3. So 3 cube. What is the value of 2 to the power of 3? It is 8. So 3 8s are 24. Now we have to multiply 24 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 24 3s are 72 and 72 multiplied by 9 is 9 2s are 18, 9 7s are 63. So the final answer is 648. Now we have got LHS is equals to RHS. So hence verified. At the end you can write like that. LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay, this is how you have to solve this question. Now let's move on to the next question of this exercise. that is question number 23. So question number 23, in this also we have to place the same value. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 3. 1 by 4 ABC multiplied by minus 6B square C multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 C cube. Okay, minus 1 upon 3 C cube. Again, firstly I am going to solve for left hand side. So to solve for left hand side, we simply have to place the value of A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 3. Okay, now 1 upon 4, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 6, 2 multiplied by 2, because the value of B is 2 and it is B square, B to the power of 2, multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3, the value of C is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 times I have multiplied 3 because it is C to the power of 3. Now what we have to do? We have to check that anything can be reduced here or not. So as I can see, 3 ones are reduced, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, reduced, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Again I have reduced 1, 2. Now what is remaining? This minus and this minus is in multiplication, so it will become plus. Okay. Now here it will be 3 6 are. Let me write it together. 3 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this minus and minus is going to become plus. 3 6 are 18, 18 twos are 36. Okay, 36 multiplied by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 36 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3. Now 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5. So 324 multiplied by 3. Again 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 3s are 9. So the final answer is 972. I hope you must have understood how I have done this. I have simply multiplied all the numerators. Now the left hand side is over. Now we have to move on to the right hand side. The answer of right hand side should also come in the same way. Then only it will be verified. Okay. Now let's move on to the right hand side. So for the right hand side, we have to multiply all the algebraic expressions together, and in the final answer we have to place the value of A, B and C. Okay, so let's move. It will be, the first step is to multiply all the coefficients together. 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. Now A multiplied by B square multiplied by B, this is B and this is B square, multiplied by C multiplied by C, and last one is C to the power of 3. Okay, now we have to check that anything can be reduced or not. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So once I have reduced, this minus minus will become plus. It is left, what is left? 1 upon 2 A B to the power of 3 C to the power of 5. Now why it is C to the power of 5? 1 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now this is right hand side. Now we have to place the value. And what was value? The value of A is 1. The value of B is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And the value of C is 3 to the power of 5, means multiplying 3 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to reduce. As you all can see that 1 2 from the denominator and 1 2 from the numerator is reduced. Now once we will perform the multiplication, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are 36 9s are, as we did in LHS, 36 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3, 9 6 are 54, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 32. Now 324 multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 3s are 9. So the final answer is 912. 72. So we can write at the end LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay students, now let's move on to the next question of this exercise, that is question number 24. Now I am going to write the next question, that is question number 23. Okay students, sorry, we have done question number 23, we have to start question number 24. So let me write the question for you. Question number 24 is 4 upon 9 ABC cube multiplied by, let me write the question. I have written the question students. So there are three algebraic expressions. This is LHS. Firstly we will do for LHS. So how we have to do? Place the value of A, B and C. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. In all the questions the value of A, B and C will be same. So now I am going to place the value and then I am going to solve it for you one by one. Okay. This is left hand side. Now this is minus 8. The value of B is what? 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have to check that anything can be reduced or not. So checking that anything can be reduced from here or not. So I have found that this 9 will be reduced because 3 ones are 3 threes are. Then again 3 ones are 3 ones are. So now only one denominator is left, that is 5. So once we will multiply all the numerators, what we are going to get? Once you will multiply all the numerators, you are going to get this number 497664 upon 5. Now why it cannot be reduced further? Because 5 is a prime number and here I cannot see any factors of 5. That is why we cannot reduce it further. So in LHS we are getting what? 4,97,664 upon 5. Now we have to solve for RHS. So let's move on. In RHS what we have to do students? We have to simply multiply all the three algebraic expressions and in the final answer we have to place the value of A, B and C in order to verify that whatever we are solving is correct or not. Okay. So I am writing the question in order to multiply it. 4 upon 9 ABC cube multiplied by minus 27 upon 5 A cube B square multiplied by minus 8 B cube C. There were three algebraic expressions, so I have written all the three algebraic expressions. Now the first step is to multiply all the coefficients of the three algebraic expressions. So I am multiplying the coefficients and I have to check that anything can be reduced from here or not. But before doing that, multiply all the literal factors. A multiplied by A cube, B multiplied by B square multiplied by B cube, C cube multiplied by C. So I have multiplied all the literal factors together. Now we have to reduce if it can be reduced. So 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. Now can we reduce it further? Now nothing can be reduced from here. Now what is left? It will be 4 threes are 12, 12 eights are 96, minus minus plus. So 96 upon 5, A to the power of 4, B to the power of 6 and C to the power of 4. This is your right hand side. Now in this only, in this algebraic expression only, we have to place the value of A, B and C in order to verify the LHS and RHS. So 96 upon 5, A to the power of 4, B to the power of 6 and C to the power of 4. Now placing the values of A, B and C in this expression, what was the value of A? It was 1, so 1 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 6 and C to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Once you will multiply all these three numbers, 96 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 81, you are going to get the same number which we have obtained in the left hand side, that is 4,97,664 upon 5. Okay students, this will be the final answer. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. So we have done all the questions of this exercise. Now let's move on to the next topic in your exercise. So students, the next topic in exercise 6B is, only one question is remaining, that will be your homework. You have to do it in your homework copy. We have done till question number 24. Now the next topic is multiplication of a monomial and a binomial. This I am going to tell you in the next video. For this I will be making a new different video so that you all don't get confused. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.